Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR app on your Sony Xperia 1 Mark V smartphone. So start by opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type RAR. Click search and now click install. When your application is installed, you can click open. Now you have to allow access to manage files and click back. Here you can choose if you allow this application to show you notifications and click now dismiss, and you can use your RAR application. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe.